Hi there, this is Maya. Welcome to my channel. In this lesson, you will learn the basic colors in Turkish. As usual, there will be a very short progress test to check your learning progress. So make sure you invest your 100% focus on the lesson. Let's get it started. Now we're starting. Make sure you repeat after me, okay? Beyaz, siyah, sarı, kırmızı, yeşil, mavi, pembe, turuncu. Now, before we start the test, as usual, let's have a quick revision and make sure you pause the video several times till you think you're ready for the test to get the great result, okay? Let's dig in. Siyah, kırmızı, mavi, turuncu, beyaz, sarı, yeşil, pembe. Congratulations, you came to the end of the test and the tutorial. You learned 8 basic colors in Turkish and also how to ask and answer about colors. Before we go, I've got one more question. En sevdiğin renk Ne? Benim en sevdiğim renk kırmızı. How about yours? I'm looking forward to your reply in the comment section below. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye!